Animal habitats. A habitat is a natural environment that an animal lives in. A habitat provides animals with three important things such as food, shelter, and a safe place to raise their young. Can you match these animals to their environment? How have these animals adapted to their environment? What do frogs need in a habitat? Food such as flies, cockroaches, and spiders are caught on the frog's long, sticky tongue. Bigger frogs can eat bigger animals like mice and birds. Did you know? Goliath frogs are the largest species of frog in the world. They are known for their incredible body strength. Camouflage, so that they are less visible to predators, such as otters, birds, and fish. Do you know about predators? An animal that hunts other animals. How can a frog be both predator and prey? Frogs eat insects, and other animals eat frogs. It is very common for animals to be both predator and prey. They eat smaller animals and are eaten by larger animals. Water is needed for drinking and for laying their eggs in. This means frogs are best suited to living in places where there is water, such as near a pond or lake. What do polar bears need in a habitat? Food such as seals, reindeer, and fish. They can even use their sense of smell to find seals hiding under the snow.
Oh no! Good sense of smell.
Camouflage. Camouflage so that they are harder to spot. Their see-through fur reflects the white of the snow around them and lets them blend in. Sea ice. Sea ice for hunting on, living on, and breeding on. This means polar bears are best suited to living in the Arctic Circle. Birds.
What do birds need in a habitat?
Food such as berries, worms, and small insects. Camouflage. Camouflage, so that they are less visible to predators. Materials for nest building, such as twigs and leaves. This means birds are best suited to living in places where there are plenty of trees such as woods, gardens, and parks.
Ma'am, I love birds.
Me too.
Me too.
If you love birds, show care for them. I know you are the best inventor. Develop an automated feed system for them. Here are some of the most simple ideas used by many people in their garden.
God bless them.
Lions.
What do lions need in a habitat?
Water to stay hydrated in hot conditions. Prey such as antelopes and zebras to eat. Do you know what is prey? An animal that is hunted and eaten by another animal. Camouflage. Camouflage such as long grass to hide in whilst they hunt their prey. This means lions are best suited to living in places where there is plenty of prey to eat and there is long grass to hide in, such as the plants of Africa. Dogs.
What do dogs need in a habitat?
Water. Water to stay hydrated in all conditions. Prey such as mice, voles, rabbits, and other small animals are caught and eaten by wild dogs. Pet dogs are fed a diet of either dry food or meat by their owners. A den to feel safe in the wild. This is a warm, dry place like a cave, but for a pet dog, this would be a crate or bed. This means dogs are best suited to living in places where there is plenty of water and caves to stay dry in. Pet dogs are best suited to living with their owners in a warm, dry house. What do you know about dogs' eyesight and the sense of smell? Share with us in the comments box. Panda. What do pandas need in a habitat? Food and water. To stay healthy and hydrated in all conditions. Both come from bamboo, which grows in cool forests. They also eat other plants and even small rodents. Camouflage. Camouflage. To hide in. The panda's white fur helps it hide in the snow in the mountains, while the black patches help it hide in shade. This means pandas are best suited to living in places where there is plenty of bamboo and places to hide, such as a forest. Fox. What do foxes need in a habitat? Prey such as birds and mice. They are scavengers, which means they will eat almost anything like insects, earthworms, fruits, berries, and food waste left by humans. What does the Arctic fox eat? Tell us in the comments box if you know. Water to stay hydrated in all conditions. Den. This is usually a hole under the ground. This means foxes are best suited to living in places where there is plenty of water, prey, and somewhere for them to make a den, such as forest. Animal habitats. We humans are able to change our environment to make them habitable with technology and buildings. We are able to live in most conditions. Some animals cannot do this and have become extinct as a result. Extinct. Extinct means there are no more of that species or animal left in the world. Can you sort animals into extinct and living?